Hey, welcome back. I'm John Castillo, Technical Director here at Moran Family of Brands. Boy, I got that one down pat. And we're back for another Car Care Wednesday. I'm not sure what we're gonna do the Car Care Wednesday on. Holy cow. Can I, oh, yes sir?
Power steering and the brakes don't work. Somebody thought it might be funny.
Uh-oh.
Be careful. It's a classic.
Where'd he go? Hey, we're back, and I see you all are too. Took a while though. The owner finally came up with a key for it. Tough guy to find. One of his clown friends thought it would be funny if he had no brakes. We found out the real reason, but again, that was the thoughts. He complained that he had no power steering or brakes. I took a good look at this thing and come to find out we have a power steering leak. We're gonna pull the pump off and reseal it, get it back on. Let's get going here. All right. I took the liberty of getting a few things loose for time-wise here. Obviously the belt tensioner has been loosened up. So we're gonna go ahead and just set that off to the side or let it hit the floor. We're gonna get the power steering line off, slash brake booster, hydro boost for some of you out there. Let's see if it's ready to come out now. There we go. Couple of hose clamps. All right, looks like we got a clamp that just doesn't want to let loose. So we're going to use the wrong tool properly. There we go. Re-loosen some bolts here, save on time. All right, got all the bolts loose. All right. So, follow me. All right, now that we've got the pump off, I can show you where the leak is at. Where the tank meets the pump, right in this area here, you can see it's a bit wet. There's a rubber O-ring, is that right there. It's probably dry rotted knoll, this being an older vehicle from sitting. More than likely that's where our leak is at. So we're gonna pull the tank off, change the O-ring, put it back on, and put it back on the car. First we're gonna take loose the pressure side fitting. Unscrew that. It is spring loaded. Spring loaded valve. Make sure you know which way the spring goes in. Okay. That wasn't so bad. All right. And here it is. All right, we got to the pump. We got the tank off, our bad O-ring. So two things we're going to need to install on here first before we reassemble. Let's get the new O-ring in there. And then on the back for the discharge between the cover and that It's another O-ring and it looks pretty flattened and shabby. We got another one in the kit. Here it comes with all of what we need and extras. So we're going to take a bit of assembly glue, put a little bit in there to hold it in place. Don't want that slipping out, or this gentleman will be back again. And it's actually transmission gel. It's been around forever. I'm going to go ahead and slide the cover back on. Line up the holes. All right. Spring end first. And our valve. Let's get this old O-ring out of here somehow. So hard it cracked. There's 2 grooves here. Make sure you put it in the very last groove. This one here, this one here. Always make sure you get it in this one. It's a feed hole here. You block that. Again, somebody would be very upset. There'd be no power steering. This one tight. All right. Okay, there you have it. We resealed the power reservoir, power steering reservoir tank. So let's go back and start putting this back on the vehicle. There we go. All right, got everything in place, just have to tighten it up, but I'm going to leave you there for right now because obviously since I had to cut the hose, I'm going to get a length of power steering hose, get some fluid, get everything buttoned up, tightened up, take it for a test drive and deliver it back. So basically that's how you remove it, reseal the tank, and get it back on the vehicle. Hey, I hope you had a great time. It was a fun time for me. Got to work on something really cool. Got it figured out, got it fixed. Well, I ain't never worked on one of those before, but again, till next time, don't forget, check us out on Instagram and Facebook, Car Care Wednesday. Look us up, check us out. And until then, I'm John Castillo. We'll see you next time.
Keys.
Well, there you go. We'll send you the bill.
Happy Halloween.
And until next time, same bat time, same bat channel. Have a good day.
Happy Halloween, Batman.